Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to HMS Tech Tip. Today I will show you how to block notifications on Microsoft Edge. Before I start the video, please subscribe the channel and give a like to the video. So let's get started. Click the three dot and then settings. Okay. So here you can see cookies and site permissions. Click on the settings option. Okay. All permissions. Here you can also block cookies and site data. You can block location, camera, microphone, motion or light sensors, notification, JavaScript, image pop-ups and redirects, ads. You can also block ads if you click and block them. You can block automatic downloads, background scenes, handlers, my device and many more. As we came here for blocking notification, so click notification, and here you can see every website asks before sending a notification if it is turned on, and if you turned off, all websites will be blocked to send any type of notification to your Microsoft Edge browser. Here you can see I have three websites that are allowed to send notification. So if I want to block them one by one, just click here and click block. So it is blocked by this. And you can also edit or remove this also, or block them also as your wish. Or if you want to block another websites, you just click add and type the URL of the site. And if you want to allow a site, click here and type the URL of this site. So as we came here to block the notifications of Microsoft Edge, we done our work. So by this system you can block any type of notification of Microsoft Edge, and you can also allow all types of notifications of any websites if you want. So this is our today's video. I hope this video helped you much. If the video helps you, do me a favor, please give a like to the video and subscribe the channel. It will cost you nothing. Thank you.